Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTubers. This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. I'm doing about the fourth fire up of this improvised prototype in-ground subsurface trench earthen thermal mass rocket stove heating system. Okay, you're going to heat the ground up. Now what I have, I want to make it longer, and I just did that added about another 15 inches. Another section of 4-inch pipe, and I matched that up with some 6-centimeter pipe inside of it. That's my mock-up of the dirt, because I want to make this longer. I want to see how long I can go, how long of a run I can make horizontal. So now it's out to about maybe 6 feet. I'll measure that when I get my tape measure and let you know. But so there's the rain cap / spark arrestor. And those things are pretty cool. They're pretty heavy duty, and they got 3 heavy duty wire fittings to guy it out with. So I just got it propped up with that thing right now. I don't want to have to trip on them at night when in the dark, and that could hurt me. And I don't want to have to mess with the time-wise, so I just have a mock-up of a improvised holding mechanism here with the arrow cart, the handle of the arrow cart, and then that the firewood pieces. So around this I got 2 on one on each side, and then I'm going to put bigger ones over the top. So I'm going to get 3 big half pieces like those 2 there, about 8-10 inch diameter half pieces to cover it over, and then I cover it over with that thermal thing there, the blanket, which is designed to, it's like a fireproof blanket for having out in front of your wood stove so you don't burn the floor. Okay, so I'm going to stop this and go to another one. But this is what I'm getting at. I'm doing some testing, so I want to, eventually I'll put it in the ground. I've got a thing dug for it over there, but I want to go around and around, coiling up, spiraling upward. That'll be my final test on it. But I didn't want to do that right away because I don't want to put it in and to make it longer, I have to dig it back up. Well, that would be a royal pain in the ass because it took long enough to dig it out to begin with. So I've got a big pile of bamboo and oak there. I'm going to get it fired up with that, with a cube, which I showed you the other day. So I'll fire this up and then come back on a little bit later. Okay, I'm going to end this one right now. So that's it about, let's see if I can get a good still shot of that. Maybe not, I'll get one later. If I can get a screenshot. If I can get the whole thing in or not. Don't fall, don't fall. Not good footing here. I got rocks sticking up out of the ground everywhere, and gotta watch my steps. Got about 6 feet to run, horizontal run now, which is about what I want. I think I can go 8 or 10. Hopefully, let's see if this fires up. If it works good, we're still in business. I'll put another 15 inches on. You can see the piece I added on, that short piece there, about 15 inches. Right there, that's a 4-inch. Inside of that is a 6-centimeter. So the little piece goes inside of it. And I'm going to cover these over and then cover that over with that thing. I'm going to put 3 big pieces of wood on top, and I checked them, they weren't even scorched. There was smoke coming out of here the other day, but I don't know what that was from. I don't see any evidence of it. It might be the blanket burning up. I got to remember to water that down again. That's my jacket, my water jacket. You can see it's skin here at the bottom now because I think it's been burning the blanket up. No big deal. I don't care. It's just a junker. Okay, all right, I'm going to let this go. I'll do another video in a little while. Later. Bye-bye.